Hello, in this video, we're breaking down the industrialization of AI and the three shifts that will define 2026. The last 2 years were the honeymoon phase, focused on what generative AI can do. The next phase is about engineering it into real enterprise systems. At Optimum Partners, we call this the industrialization phase, the move from novelty to utility. The honeymoon phase of artificial intelligence is officially concluding. For engineering leaders, this isn't hype. It's an architectural mandate. Based on analyst forecasts and what we see in production, the message is clear. The AI tourist era is over. Most enterprise AI today still answers questions. In 2026, AI systems will act. Instead of reporting issues, agents analyze problems, trigger workflows, and open tickets. Agents require real infrastructure, write access, strong auth, events, and reliable APIs. The old way, humans copy output into systems. The new way, agents act, humans review. By 2026, enterprises will shift to a specialist mesh, smaller models built for specific tasks. A narrow legal-only model is cheaper, faster, and more accurate than a general-purpose one. If humans approve every AI action, automation doesn't scale. Human on the loop means humans set policies, agents execute, and alerts happen only on violations. The question for 2026 isn't, what can AI do? It's, do we have the infrastructure to let it act safely? The winners won't have the smartest models. They'll have the strongest nervous systems. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.